Hello guys, so I'm so happy that you come in for my YouTube channel of educational tips about stretching. And so let's start do our wonderful training. Let's go. So guys, today we will continue for squat position. Yes, also so good position for our health, for flexibility, our muscles, for boosting glutes also. Yes. And today I will show you and teach you also, and we will practice with this exercise what help our stay in this position also. This exercise also for knees, also for back. Yes, you can see I don't have it so straight, but we will want and also will do this cool exercise for this wonderful position. So guys, let's go. We will start also by hitting exercise, warming up. Very important for us because hitting warming up helps our muscles be more elastic and more stronger with harder exercise. So let's go. What we can do? We lay your back and we will do butterfly with the floor. Yes. In this exercise we have three main points. We also straight, open and close. Yes. This position will be better. So repeat. Straight. Open. Yes, open and close. And we do circles. Yes, sir. So let's try. Also, if you're beginner, if you can make this exercise, do this exercise by point. So, but if you're middle, yes, don't be lazy, please, and do circles. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And another side also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so cool. Also, we can have our legs and have a little rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, super. After that, we can open, yes, our legs and this position. So in this position we actually have two names, happy baby or dead back. Also I think the first name of this position more happier. So we will be with this position. And also try to put one into the floor and another. So one by one. So for this exercise we can feel these muscles and also our glutes. So let's go. 1, 2. Also don't forget about your breath. Let's inhale one side and exhale another. Okay, so clean. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also, let's fix this position on the middle side and press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, cool. Also, gently go out from this position. Hug your legs and hug the rest. So also, if you have very peaceful mood, yes, don't rush, have a rest. Your training can be not 1 hour, maybe 2 if you have a weekend and you not busy, for example. Okay, so the next exercise, please sit down by this position, yes, and we will push, yes, our legs to the up and also open our hips. Yes, we inhale, open, and exhale, close. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also 8. So stay in this position, push yourself straight, yes, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so also gently go out from this position, don't rush. And the next exercise will be very good for the knees, yes, for your collagen. So if you don't have enough, yes, enough collagen, you will be hear sounds of your bones. It's not good, but actually I also don't have enough collagen, and also I lose vitamins. And gentle exercise will helps me rise this collagen also. Rise? Yes. So this exercise help me bring natural collagen from my knees. I hope you understand me also if I say don't correct also write in comments, because I think we can have a barter, yes. You give me English words, I give you excellent mood and excellent tips of stretching also, and what? Good training. So let's go. 4 collagen and 4 our position squat. We stay in this position and we will make circles. Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also another side. 1, 2, Breathe please. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and also other side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and also 1. Okay, cool. Also, we can also please know this information because this exercise will not for beginners. It was more medium, intermediate, yes, open level. But if you start, you can also do this exercise. It's also so good for your knees. Also, if you don't have any energy for hard exercise, you can also do this exercise. So 1, 2, 3. Also could lie 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, cool. Also, you can just up your legs and also straighten your hips because your knees must be straight. Yes. Okay. And the next exercise will be for back. You must have at least one exercise for your back. Yes, if you won't have full squat position. So for this, we will do this exercise. Go to the back position, to the table position, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also stay in this position and try to up your hand to the higher. And 1. Also your hips don't be to the other side. Must be single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. And to another side. Let's go. 1. Oh, another hand. I'm so sorry, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. And have your hands. Don't forget about the breath. Inhale and exhale. And stay in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so good. Also a little rest. Yes. Go to the baby pose. Also you can make more well position. Super exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, super. And so let's try the squat. exercise. Back exercise help me make back so straight. You also can see back in you. Yes. Also, stand in this position how possible for you. It will be 10 seconds, excellent. 1 minute, excellent. 1 hour, excellent. If you can sleep with this position, also wow. Also, you have have breakfast in this position. Speak very full, yes, with friends. I don't know maybe about a job. Everything is good. Also, TV, some YouTube. Also, you can see my videos by this position. Yes. So please, guys, share in comments what you like do by squat position. If nothing, also please like and comment. Maybe I will find a really good ideas for squat. What you can do by squat position. Yes, you also can a little dance, yes, for your muscles. Because this position is static position, and when I move into more dynamic position, and I like mixed static and dynamic because you have more time for training, you know, and you more time stay in this position. If you stay static, you have tired, yes. But when you start to move, you can stay in this position more longer. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much that you always decide to spend time with me. I so appreciate about it. I hope you like my educational tips about stretching, like my mood. Also, you can see my new sport gym. It's so little, but I think it's so cozy. Also, give me your feedback. Do you like this new gym or not? And so, see you very soon. Have